Yo, you know where we are? Pyramid. Let's go.
No, I'm studying like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get your rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket, yeah.
Me and my boy Alex going traveling. Let's get it. We got Egypt. Touchdown to the hotel. We had a quick room tour. Nice view. Top floor. What's the bathroom saying? That's alright, that's alright. Let's go. It's been at 12. Big up the man then. Balcony view. That's the main part. Get the sea in. Bro, can you see the sea? The sea ain't seeing.
The sea ain't seeing.
The sea ain't seeing.
But it's there.
Alright, we're gonna go grab some drinks. You lot can't even see me. One sec. We're gonna grab some drinks, unpack, jump in a pair of shorts because I'm in trackies and it's actually hot here, bro. It's raining for the whole week in London and we're here chilling in Egypt Hurghada. Let's get it. But just woke up, bro. It's like 12 o'clock. Check out the hotel.
You can actually see the hotel now because it's daytime. It's the icon Alex, man.
Now you guys can actually see the hotel. That's banging.
Oh, the weather's so nice. Gonna walk down to the beach in a second, just sorting some trips out, so I'll be back in a sec.
After a long ass wait for Alex because he had a toilet malfunction. Our toilet broke already. It wasn't our fault though, twice.
Walking up to the beach now. Oh, that looks dope.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Nice and quiet, man.
Nice. Oh yes, they got showers so you can clean your feet off.
Oh,
That's the first thing I need when it comes to sand.
banging.
Oh, we can play. No way.
Volleyball and that.
Nice.
Not basketball. Who's that?
Yeah. Alex thinks that anything that has a white band is illegal.
It must be, bro. It's the adult band, isn't it?
It's the adult band. Is it?
I think so, because the kids have got a pink one.
Yeah, but the kids. What about fucking
Well, I don't
youngsters?
know. I don't know, do I? I don't speak to children, so I'm
So you sure? Oh, let's go to the to that pier. These spots are nice.
long walk back to get drinks.
Yeah, it is. Might have to just get like 4 in one go. I think this is where there's a couple of nice things here as well, you know.
I was gonna say,
Yeah, I think that's where they've been hiding.
Where are you hiding from me?
That's where they've been hiding. Shit.
Private beach and that. See, no looky mans, bro. They can't come here.
Alcohol, strong and
As I
shit.
said, man, 50-50.
50-50, bro.
Oh, big pull.
Whew.
Oh, the seawater is looking a little bit murky.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Out there, it's
Out there, it's
nice.
probably nice. Yeah.
Nice out there. Over here, it's looking like
Fuck's that?
a scrap or something. That's probably some old pool. Some old pool here that they're not closing.
Yeah, we did all of that just to do 2 boats.
Nice boats, though.
Yeah, nice boats. Polish flag on that one. Alex said that this bridge is only good because the Polish Lions built it. That's why it's good.
Alright, back to the fucking beach.
Catch you there. Just jumped out the fucking massage spa thing. It was leg. Now shower up, eat some food and have a couple of drinks. We're getting picked up at 2 in the morning and it's a 6-hour coach ride to Cairo, so it's gonna be fun. So see you later. It's currently like 1:30 in the morning. We've been drinking all this time and it's crazy. We're just gonna get ready, go downstairs, pick up our box lunch and that breakfast, jump on a fucking coach, sleep for the 6 hours on the way there, and we're gonna pick it up probably when we're in the coach, give you a little update. So see you in 1 second. Hey, well, I'm gonna say, we just made it to Cairo. If you're gonna book a Cairo trip, catch a flight. Pay that extra 50 quid and catch a flight, because that was not worth the fucking struggle in the coach. We just got to the museum and time for some B-roll of what we saw in the museum, and we got a special little clip as well that it's AI generated clip, just so YouTube doesn't delete it, but see you in a second. You enjoy that little montage of the B-roll of the museum. We're just relaxing, chilling now until everybody else comes out of the museum. Then we're going to the pyramids, so the pyramids are next. So see you when we're there. Yo, you know where we are? Pyramids. Let's go. Fucking hell, you can't even see it. That's how big it is. She's mad. That's what she said.
That's what she said. No, thank you. Okay, it's okay.
Italy.
Italia,
Napoli, Milan.
No.
You want this?
I don't smoke.
Sorry, man.
No. Take it back. Yeah.
Shukran, brother. It's okay.
It's okay.
Bro. So if you
if they put it in your hand, you have to threaten to put it on the floor. If you don't put it on the floor and walk away, you get in charge of big money.
Yeah, so if you don't know, if somebody gives you a gift here, it's not a gift. It's gonna come back 5 minutes later and try to charge you for like 5 times, 10 times, bro. All the stuff that they sell here is probably like £1, £2 tops each. And they're gonna charge at least 20 euros, 5 euros minimum.
And they won't even accept it in their own currency. You have to pay in euros.
Yeah, you have to pay in euros or dollars. They don't accept their own currency, bruv. It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want a photo on like the first step.
No, it's okay.
No, it's okay.
We can take the photo.
Yeah, don't worry. Wait, nah, it's finished there. It's finished there. I don't think there's nothing there. Just go back there. I want to find like a smaller step so I can sit on it and then have a photo from the bottom going up.
So fucking big.
Yeah, I, more in the middle. It's more in the middle. It's gonna look weird if it's just on the angle. That's massive. It's fucking massive. What the hell? Let me put it in portrait. Oh shit. Portrait mode. Let's do a little TikTok, so back in a sec. All right, TikTok recorded. You'll probably see it on TikTok if you follow me. If you don't know, get to know. You don't follow me?
I don't have TikTok.
Oh, that don't count.
Your best bet is going to be like that. Or like walk partially up the step and just shimmy across.
I'm gonna go up there without next to the right of the crack.
I don't think we'll get charged for that.
Fuck it, let's go.
They're gonna tell me no, you can't. I'll come back down. Okay, sorry. What money I don't have anymore?
What money? I'm broke.
Oh, check his wallet. Yeah,
We're legally climbing the pyramid. Legally.
Man said it's not that big.
I did think it was going to be a lot bigger, you know.
What does that? That's what she says, yeah.
That's what she said. make you a lot bigger. Can't lie though, for that man to climb up this, he did a mission to get
Bruh, high and the rocks are big.
Yeah, he did a mission to get over this. Yeah, get you a nice photo, man.
Alright, back in a sec. Jeez, Alex just patterns some sick shots on the pyramid. Fuck,
Come on, you know.
I can't even get a shot just so it's all in there.
Could have driven my motorbike here.
Alex is already complaining because it took us 8 hours on the coach to get here. But that's the first great pyramid. Now we're gonna go back to the coach and get to the other pyramids because for some reason we can't just walk there. So yeah, back on our coach and see the other pyramid. We're at the second pyramid and there's bare camels and they're constantly, oh, €5, €5, you wanna drive, And you take like 5 steps on a camel and then they make you pay twice the amount. It's crazy. And then if you say no, they'll be like, okay, just €1, just €1. It's fucking jokes. I don't know, are we going to the Sphinx now? I think we're going to the Sphinx, yeah. So we'll pick it up when we're in front of the Sphinx. That should be a nice shot as well. Made it to the Sphinx. I'm not gonna lie, it's smaller than I expected, but hopefully we're gonna get closer. We going down closer? We're going down?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, good. Oh, we take the car down there?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, cool. Sweet. Just got to this Bedouin tribe tea thing with perfume and jewellery stuff, but me and Alex ain't feeling this one still, so we're gonna miss out. Just have a smoke and jump back on our coach. But yeah, this is probably gonna be part 2 of the week in Egypt because the video is gonna be way too long to put in one.
I mean, this should be part 1.
Part 1? Part 1 would be getting here and doing this today. And then, okay, so the next video is going to be part 2. So, yeah, I'm not going to end it right now because I have no idea what we're doing next, but we're doing something. So I'll catch you up when we know what we're doing. So see you in a sec. And this place is crazy when it comes to driving.
Oh, no helmet. Nice. Oh, that's fun, by the way.
1, 2, 3, go.
Made it back to the hotel. It's been a fucking long ass day.
Long day, boys.
We've met
And girls.
Jackie.
Hi.
And Stuart over there.
Big up the Stuart.
Come on.
Top G.
Having the last couple of drinks before we hit the bed, and tomorrow's going to be a relaxing day. But part 2? Part 2, innit? Part 2, the video is going to be coming out in a couple of days for you guys, but recording tomorrow for us. So see you then. If you like the video, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, you already know. See you in the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, shit. What are you doing? You ain't subscribed yet? Road to 1K, come on man. You already know what we're doing. Let's get it. Pow. In a bit.
Where my friends go, it was simple. When the ends low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike, I go hard day and night.